In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a still photo in Canva. If you've ever wanted to add that extra bit of flair to your photos or create engaging, dynamic content easily, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this simple process that will have your images moving and grooving in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to open Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a versatile graphic design platform that's perfect for creating everything from social media posts to presentations. Make sure you're logged in. If not, sign up. It's free and straightforward. Now that you're on Canva, open a new project. You can either choose a video project or a presentation project depending on your final output needs. Both options will allow you to take advantage of Canva's animation features effectively. Once your project is up and running, it's time to bring in your image. You can upload your image directly from your computer. This is useful for using personal photos or graphics stored locally. You can also pick one from Canva's massive media library, which offers a vast array of high-quality photos and illustrations that might suit your project perfectly. With your image on the canvas, the next step is crucial. Select your photo by clicking on it. This selection will enable the editing options we need to add amazing animations. At the top of your screen, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the Animate button and give it a click. This is where the magic happens. Canva offers a variety of animation options to explore. Under Photo Animations, you'll find an assortment of effects tailored to bring your photo to life. Take your time to hover over each effect to see a preview of how it animates your image. It's a good idea to select an effect that complements the mood or tone of your project. Once you've settled on a photo animation, it's time to select a page animation as well. These animations impact how the entire page transitions or moves. Again, Canva provides several choices here, allowing you to add an overarching dynamic flow to your content. Now it's time for the final touch. When you're satisfied with the animations and overall look of your project, navigate to the Share button at the top right of the screen. Click on it, and then select Download. Make sure you choose MP4 as your file type to ensure that the animations are maintained. And there you have it. You've successfully animated a still photo in Canva in a matter of minutes. This simple technique is a great way to elevate your visual content and can be applied to various projects, from social media to personal presentations. Happy creating, and see you in the next tutorial.